In this section we will discuss how to add gallery image by the date, right? That means month. So here you can see I already create the folders month by month I have image. So I'm going to show this image after this rotating gallery one by one here. Okay, so we'll first do the HTML part. I'm going to add main element for this one with the class name gallery, and ID name also will be gallery. Right, so also we can add footer section because this is the last section of our website. So we just add Chris and Jane as the footer details. Okay, now we will add the CSS styling for this one. I'm going to move into style sheet, then we will add our style here. So first for the gallery element, maximum width will be around, I'm going to put 100% max width. Margin will be 20px and auto. Then outer padding will be 8 pixel. Display will be flex item. Direction will be columns. Align item center. Okay, then after for the month, margin will be 18px 0. For the button, background will be accent. Then the color will be white. Padding will be 10px. And put cursor as the pointer for the image. Now you can see the image going to load, so we'll do the coding for that part. History 0. For the thumb section, display will be okay. We got bracket error. Gap will be 12px. Wrap will be wrap. Then another gap will be again. So not for the Polaroid, I'm going to put width as 160px. Then the background will be white color. Put 8px, and box shadow will be right, something like this. Then I will align text into the center. Okay, so then I'm going to add some animation also. After that, inside Polaroid we are going to create image element. Border radius will be 6 pixel. For the model, background will be GBA 0,0,0,0.6. Center, justify content, again center. Height will be again 90 viewport height. So border radius, I'm going to put 8 pixel as the border radius. For the border section, we can put something like padding 26 px or 25 px. Then text align will be center and color will be mute. Okay, so then I'm going to add some media query also. Is 600 px. Then the top grid flex direction will be column. Then after align items will be again, we'll put stretch. Okay, so and also when I click on that image, I'm going to add carousel. So we'll add that class by using the JavaScript, but I'm going to add the style now. Transition will be transform 0.5 second is carousel slide img tag. Border radius will be 6 pixel and cursor pointer. There is a button for the carousel navigation. For that also I'm going to add the style 10px, then after height again 10px, for radius we'll put 50%, margin 2px all side. Then our background will be CCC, so will be pointer. Again carousel now, button when it is active, accept. Then we are going to expand image, expanded view. For that one, first one will be fixed, up will be 20%. Direction will be columns. Right, so the new image button also there. Now I'm going to add style for the that cross button in the expanded view. Border will be none. Right, so now styling part is complete. We'll move into the our JavaScript part. That means showing image and kind of things. Okay, for this section I'm going to copy that URL and kind of things. That means we can fast forward this section. Right, so here you can see for the image section I have created array with the photos, that means folder names. Then after key and value pair will be the image URL. So like that I have added image. Then after calling this function carousel creator function and build gallery function, so it will show image like this. If you want you can click like this, then after it will do the task. Right, so this is what I want to discuss. Then we have another part known as, let's see, we got error, cannot read properties of null trading at d1 listener, script line 184. Let's see. Okay, expanded view style dot null. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to add the passing gate, and here you can see the code. So for the script part you can stop and do the coding part for the script. So we start from here, then add a carousel creator, right after that wrapper function, then after build gallery function, and finally closing expanded view. Okay, we'll meet on the next video. That means on that time I'm going to discuss how to add that two gates.